The Kenya Film Classification Board CEO Ezekiel Mutua has today reiterated that there is need to regulate technology for the sake of consumers in the country. Speaking at a conference organized by the Association of Media Women in Kenya, Mutua said that digital migration and new introduction such as Netflix present more platforms and opportunities to share information in the advent of globalization, but have to be censored. The KFCB has recently taken issue with Netflix owing to what it says is a threat to Kenyans' national security due to the content streams citing violence, drugs and pornography and the potential of radicalization as possible outcomes.
That by embracing technology, instead of dealing with a market of 42 million, I don't know how many we are, but we are way past 40 million, instead of looking at your market as 40 million, you look at 7 billion. That market, therefore, is open for you through technology. So platforms that come with technology, including the digital switchover chair, become then opportunities as opposed to being an impediment to doing business. Technology cannot be reversed, cannot be resisted. I only disagree with him when he says it cannot be regulated. That is not factually true, because behind technology there are human beings. Technology never invented people, we invented technology, and we can regulate. Right now as we speak, the only time I would mention Netflix, and I'll leave the subject altogether, Netflix has been blocked from entering Indonesia. Now, I am sure I can almost tell where my brother from Article 19 will take me with that when I mention that, because he's a firm believer in democracy and freedom. And so he tells me, don't